Hello folks, today we have a instructional video for a change. Here we have a high efficiency furnace. It is cold outside, it's been snowing, and this furnace is showing an error code with a pressure switch issue. First it was 3 flashes, which means a pressure switch open, and then it ran for a while, and then it showed 9 flashes, which shows specifically a high pressure switch open. First thing to look for in that scenario, with it being winter time and it had snowed and a high efficiency furnace, is you go outside to where your PVC intake and outlet are located. The one with the elbow on it here just happens to be the outlet. As you can see, the inlet is plugged solid with snow. Simple as cleaning that out and starting your furnace back up, and it'll be good to go. It'll save you from having to call guys like me and cost you all kinds of money. There you go.